smartphone Huawei Mate 30 2019 caught in a live photos. There was a month left until the official release of the smartphone, but it has already been repeatedly noticed on the streets. The network published regular images of the not yet announced smartphone Huawei Mate 30. The device was used on the streets in a special case that masked the smartphone. It is reported by GSM Arena. Welcome to Science and Knowledge. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel for our future videos. On frames, you can see large frameless screen with rounded edges. The smartphone will receive a wide cutout to accommodate all sensors and the front camera. Also on the case, there is another hole, but its purpose is not completely clear. Perhaps this helps to mask the phone on the street. According to the report, the Huawei Mate 30 and Huawei Mate 30 Pro will be presented on September 19. Huawei has decided to attract the attention of potential buyers of the new iPhone. Indian network informant Ishan Agarwal, who continues to publish the latest news on the latest in the mobile industry, announced the global announcement date for the Huawei Mate 30 and Huawei Mate 30 Pro smartphones. According to insider information, Huawei Mate 30 and Mate 30 Pro will be presented at a press conference which is scheduled for September 19 this year. Thus, Huawei decided to attract the attention of potential buyers of new iPhones, which should go on the sale around this time. Earlier, the new smartphones of Huawei Mate 30 line were announced in October. Recall that a week ago, there was information that the Huawei Mate 30 and Mate 30 Pro will be shown in China on September 19. But the European presentation of two expected camera phones will take place only on October 24 this year. However, now confirmation has appeared that Huawei has planned to global launch of the new line of September 19th. On this day, smartphones will be presented not only in China, but throughout the world, respectively, and they should go on sale pretty quickly in all regions. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, peace out.